I don't normally show my face on my YouTube channel, but today's different. I'm going to take a few days break. My brother passed away today unexpectedly. I'm going to build the biggest, baddest firework that I can imagine. And I can imagine a lot. Everything I own, possess, pyro-wise, is going to go in it. I'm going to send off my brother in honor with something that's going to register as an earthquake. Everybody in my county will feel, hear, and see it. So be patient with me. In a few days, I'll start posting again. Thanks.